Tuesday. This is week 10, day 19. Scaling networks, we're working on EIGRP. We used IP version 4. We used that as a, they had the lab done, so we used that to talk about. We added a router and troubleshoot a couple things, make sure everything was working, and then the students were able to get the IP6 completed lab work. So really I have just one other slide here to talk about. Yeah, so we have, we have NAT, and we're out to the academic IT, and we added redistribute static. We added router 24, and so DEV24, we added that, and that gave us a good example of, adding EIGRP router out here. Even though it's a stub router, that still worked out. We actually talked about, we didn't have time to do it, we actually talked about if we'd run a Ethernet over to here, we could build a little bit of redundancy and then see how EIGRP would handle that. If we get time, we could do that on Thursday. So our next step, the IP6 lab, they completed that, so we can use that now, IP version 6. We can use that as an example here to look at more of EIGRP. And then we want to spend a lot of time on Thursday going through the labs for advanced EIGRP. And we'll start looking at some of those things. But before we do that, it's really important that you understand the basics of EIGRP with version 4 and 6. Okay? So then we're going to try to go through most of chapter 7 on Thursday. And that's it.